What are you doing to make your business simple? Too often I get into sales meetings and watch sales leaders drone on about activity and numbers and the forecast, and there's no takeaways as to how we're going to improve our business. To me, that meeting needs to be, what are we doing to close this deal, and go away and close it. What do we need to do to get in front of that customer for the first time, and go do that. What do we need to do to fill your pipeline and forecast up to a level that's acceptable to make sure that you're going to hit your quota, and go and do that. We make that too difficult, and it isn't a simple task for salespeople. From the standpoint of CRM, CRMs are used everywhere now, and too often the data that they're asking for is very unclear what they're looking for. Sales reps go in and start putting in partial information. They have pull down menus that have 24 items. You go to pull a report and nobody knows what the report means. Simply state what is it we need the salespeople to capture, and capture that. Have a one-page report that can be printed by leadership and executives, and they can look at that and have an understanding of what's happening in the business. If there's an issue on a specific piece of business or a group of business, then go and look at that and drill down more and spend time with the leader or the sales rep to understand what we need to do with that part of the business. Keep it simple. Writing proposals. Too often I see these 27-page Surlox-bound beautiful proposals that are all about the organization and nothing to do with the client other than the one page with the pricing. Make it a 3-page proposal that's very well written, talks about their business, talks about your product or service, how it's going to fix the problem that you're there to fix, and what you're going to do with it, and what that means to their business from a cost savings and the value and the ongoing cost savings over the next period of time. If you do that, you've got their attention, and if you do that, it's a very simple way to go in and close business. So over the next while, pay attention to how do you make your business simple. We're so distracted now in this part of the world. We're interrupted every minute of the day, and we don't get a chance to sit down and focus on the right things that are important to our business. So start to pay attention to all of that. How are you going to keep your business simple? I see salespeople and ask them questions, and they start answering the question and heading off on the tangent, and I say, stop. I just asked you what time it was. I didn't ask you to build me a watch. So pay attention to where you're going on, and not making things simple for the customer, for your business, for your family, and stop doing that and move forward and start to simplify everything you're doing. If you do that, you'll be much more successful. If you do that, you'll be happier with the results you're creating. And if you do that, you're going to get more done in the day than the average person. So go away and have fun. Work on it. Good luck and good selling.